Model Man Frank here. Welcome back to the workshop. And I am working on a different glider today. I still have my mini mower that I'm still working on. But with this shop, I work on more than just one plane. So one day it'll be one airplane, and the other day will be another airplane. Right now, I'm working on the Great Plains Spirit Elite. This one is a fiberglass body. This one's like an ARF, which means almost ready to fly. It's a fiberglass shell of a body and prefabricated wings that are made of balsa. And this one comes with flap control, so you can put flaps on it. Here is the wing with flaps. And I've already started putting together the wing, as you can see. And that's where the servo would go for the flap control. And this is where the servo for the aileron control will go. That's a port so I can get the servo connectors to the receiver, and it's already prefabricated and balsa wood and everything like that. This aircraft is going to have an electric motor. I already cut off the nose to the plane, and I'm getting ready to hook up a motor. This is a motor that I have here, and this motor I got off Amazon. I think I paid $22 or $23 for it. So it's you can also get ESCs. I got this ESC on Amazon, a 30 amp ESC. This one is a 35A amp ESC. I got the 35A amps ESC because I got those from Flight Test. Flight Test has a lot of good stuff that you can buy. Unfortunately, most of their 35A ESCs are sold out. This one came with a power pack. If you're gonna buy a power pack, it's between 100 for two motors. They run anywhere from $69.99 all the way up to like $120 or something like that. That's the website, Our Zone. Back to the model. I'm building this one. Again, this one will have a motor installed into it, and here is the canopy for the motor for the aircraft. That will be glued on. Here are some of the parts that are being used. It'll be a bolt-on wing. So that's really about it for this plane. This one's pretty straightforward. Again, it'll have a motor. Actually, if you look right in there, you can actually see the hole where the nose of the aircraft would have been. I had the nose cone here somewhere. I just can't find it right now. But yeah, it's missing the nose right now. But all in all, this one's going together all right. So that's the Great Plains Spirit Elite. I bought that one from a bundle of models that were for sale. I got two in the package. I'm already flying one of them, and I'll do a small presentation and video on that one. Up above is my Calypso glider. That glider was actually given to me by my brother, and I had to do a couple of things to it to get it back up and flying. One of them was program the motor and program the servo system for it. I do fly this one quite often. It's one of my favorite gliders. It's a go-to glider. So I'll be flying that one until literally it falls apart. But all in all, I think today I did go flying today. I flew the other glider that's part of this bundle here. and it was a good day to fly. So, unfortunately, I didn't get any video on that one, but I'll pass it along to you guys next time. So, Model Man Frank. Remember, Model Man Frank, out.